Welcome back on this channel. Here is the guy who exactly predicted this dump which happened yesterday. And in my opinion, the dump is not over, but we have a problem, which we have to discuss here right now. So the technical price target of this dump is exactly at around 53k because of the standing broadening wedge. So we should technically go to 53k. But now there's a problem, because if we are trading according to our SMC trading, smart money trading, then we checking where's the liquidity, and the liquidity, the biggest liquidity is here ending. Wait a minute, we go on the monthly, or where did I saw it? You see here the biggest liquidity is ending here around, so the biggest liquidity is here at 57k approximately. If we're zooming even more in, then we see it even better. No, we don't see. Oh, look how perfectly they grabbed the liquidity. Damn, this was so nice. But wait, we will speak also potential bounce. Yeah, you see till 55 approximately, maybe. But the biggest liquidity is here at 57. But I mean, the liquidity is ending here at 55 approximately. And the price target, which I said, is how much? 53. Ah, no, it's not a problem. It's exactly where the liquidity lies. Till 53, yeah. Shit. I mean, we have a little bit liquidity here left at 50k also. But technically, according to the smart money concept, we shouldn't see a dump lower than 50k. 50k is maximum pain. I mean, obviously 33k, there's even more, but I don't know what should happen that we are going to 34k. So in my opinion, we will not go lower than 50k. I know technically people saying here, yeah, what the fuck, so many messages. Technically people saying we could go as low as 44k, because at 44k we have here some support coming in here. Wait, I show you here exactly at 44k approximately. You see here support, but this is drawing lines, so obviously we could go to 44k, but from the perspective of smart money trading, it doesn't make sense, because there's not so much more liquidity left. But we could go as low as 44k. But in the immediate short term, so what I'm expecting here is obviously we will go still to 54k. 54k is the biggest support line at 54k, and this is the technical price tag. Will we go to 44k? Nobody knows, but the probability is not so likely, in my opinion. In the immediate short term, we could go, according to the smart money concept, we could go as high as 63k, or even to liquidate to 64k, to liquidate here the short positions. You see, there are a lot of people have at 63k and a lot of 64k. Obviously, I don't expect to go to 67k, because there's a lot of liquidity, but this they will liquidate later, because we are in the bull market. They will anyways liquidate here this short positions. But I could imagine we could see bounce to 63k or 64k. So this would mean exactly to the Fibonacci 0618. We could see here another bounce in case we are breaking 61k, that we see here bounce to 64k and then further dump to 54k. Which also speaks for bounce is the RSI, which is overbought, clearly oversold. And we see here also green dot appearing, which is telling us we should see a bounce, and we are heading here into golden cross. Also here see golden cross, green dot on the 1 hourly. So everything speaks here for another bounce to the 64k. For this reason, I entered also which I spoke yesterday, that I'm preparing a limit order in Pepe, which was triggered. I was yesterday very emotional, because I went with 200k in value in the Pepe trade, and I closed also my position then in a loss, because I was so anxious that I get liquidated. Where is it? Here, P&L, I $1,200 in loss. But right now I opened then again with $150,000 in value, and right now I'm $5,000 in profits. Don't watch please this trade, ignore this one. And our community trade Bitcoin was also activated, which is $100 in profits. I have another limit order prepared here at 59,500, as I told you, on 5x. So we shouldn't get liquidated if we're going to 48k. If we're going to 44k, obviously we will get here liquidated. By the way, you know, you can demo trade on Bybit, and tomorrow we have live trading. Tomorrow I will come here online and do live trading as you wanted at, let's say, at 1 p.m. We will do it at 1 p.m. Wait, let me check if I have there some appointments at 1 p.m. tomorrow. Where's my calendar? Because obviously I have tomorrow Do I have? I don't have any appointments. Yes, tomorrow, ba 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 ba. 12 p.m. 12 p.m. Dubai time. We will do live trading here, and you can do a demo account here and trade with me. Please do it with demo account, because if you're not a professional trader, your trades will look like my trades here. You see, I'm $5,000 in profit, but I'm $5,000 in loss actually. So what I'm thinking here about to do with Pepper, because I speak also about Ethereum. I forgot yesterday to speak about Ethereum. What about Pepper? I'm thinking, obviously, we could see Pepper here further dumping because, and explaining also the lines here, because if Bitcoin dumping, Pepper will also dump. And the most of the liquidity, I checked already beforehand because I was so excited, is here at 0.855 approximately. So we could go as low as 0.855. And but right now in the immediate short term, there's a lot of liquidity at 189 approximately, at 189. So what I'm thinking is that Paper could see here bounce to 109 and then see another dump to 0.852. So what I'm thinking is to take profits here. I prepared already. Take profits here. Where is it? At where is it? No, current orders. No, I prepared already. No, I think I prepared already. Wait. I prepared already. I know I prepared. Here, current orders. Here. Here. You see, I prepared at 108 to take profits. 108 is exactly 108 is exactly to take profits here approximately. So I will take here profits, and then I'm preparing another long entry approximately here at 0.95 again, one entry, and here second entry. Maybe here at 0.9, because I'm shitting in the pants that I'm missing out on this. You know, but this could be nice because this would be approximately 17k profits, which I could take. And then, yeah, let's see if this works out. What do you think? Write me in the comments, Bratan. Please tell me, give me feedback. Do you think this will work out or not? Because I went yesterday crazy on Twitter. You see, I wrote the whole time, by the way, here, Bitcoin up October. You see, it goes straight to the downside. Here, I was, yesterday I wrote to you, I was 200k in a limit order, $5,000 loss. I was anxious that I get liquidated, so I closed it, but I opened now again, and I want to close it and then open again, as I told you, as I explained to you. But what I'm watching also is to open a long on WIF, on FED. Here you see, this is FED. On FED, I have prepared limit order at $1.37 approximately. Here, at $1.37. I think Fed could go at $1.30, but there's also a lot of liquidity at $1.20 approximately. So you could see dump, but if I have here a limit order at $1.37, it gets triggered, and even because it's a 5x order, if we see dump of 20%, I shouldn't get liquidated because my liquidation would be $1.10. So this is what I have prepared also. And I'm thinking about WIF, because WIF, there's also a lot of liquidity at $1.60. I checked also before, and at $1.20 there's a lot of liquidity. So what I'm thinking about is to go into a long position if, as soon as WIF is, so I add here alert, at $1.60 to enter in one position, and then at $1.35 in a second limit order. Also on 5x, because this could be easy profits at 50%, and then up to the, how it called, all-time high, which would be around 200% profits. This could be nice. So here again, I show you, this is what I'm thinking about to do. Here at $1.60, price target is at least all-time high. And on 5x, which is at 20%, I get liquidate. Oh shit, I get 20% liquidate. Then 2x or 3x, then it's 33%. Yeah, 3x, 33%. So this would be my liquidation. Wait a minute, where is that? So if I'm enter here at $1.63, my liquidation would be exactly on 3x, what would be 33%. So this would be $1.92, and my profit would be at least all-time high, expecting to go. So this would be risk reward 5.62. I think this is an amazing risk reward. But probably I have to add margin, maybe, because it depends how low Bitcoin will go. If Bitcoin will go to 44, then we could see a wick even a bit lower than this wick, you see, which was at $1. Maybe we go to 90 cents or something, a little bit. Maybe I have to add margin. So with paper and Fed, this is what I'm thinking about to go long. Paper, I'm already long. And let me show you here Ethereum. Ethereum, I'm expecting, but for sure to go here if Bitcoin dumps to 54K. If Bitcoin dumps to 50K area, I think that we should see Ethereum at least at Fibonacci 0618 at $2,000, $2,067. This is what I'm expecting, even maybe to retest here this red support at maybe even at 2,000, slightly below 2,000. This could be a nice spot buy, by the way. We see here the market overall is obviously red because, yes, what's this? Wormhole, I don't know. Anyways, it's red right now. We see the fear and greed. I want to see it more fear. Ah no, we are already 39 fear, crazy. But I don't think the bounce is over. I don't think the dip is over. I think, as I said, we are going up to maybe 64K, and then we see another dump to 54K, because usually we see bigger wick. There's not a big wick. You see here, we should see bigger wick here, and then to the upside, a pump. But as soon as we're breaking 65K, this resistance line, you see here this what was previous support line, then obviously or the biggest support line, resist line 67K. If we break it to the upside and confirm, then the dip is over. But right now it's not over, because we should see a bigger wick to the upside, and then it's going much faster up. So this is a trap in my opinion. I'm so sure about it. And I think we'll see Ethereum around $2,000, still a dump. Pepper, we will see a dump around to 0.860. With we will see at $1.64, and Fed we will see at least at $1.33 approximately in this dump, which would be nice entries. And we see also that the open interest are going slightly down, but the open interest, in order to see proper bounce, if we are watching here, when the bounce happened approximately when the open interests cooled down to this level approximately. So there's still way to go where the open interest has to go down. Wait a minute, you have to see it here. You see, here was the bounce exactly. And if we're going further back here in the history, we see again the same line where the bounce was approximately here, which is right now. But I don't think. I think we should see here more cool down of the open interest rates in order to see bounce. So right now we will see bounce a little bit to the upside, but this is not the real bounce. It's still a trap in my opinion. What do you think about it? Let me know. Bloodhounds, tomorrow 12 live trading. Thank you very much for watching. Kiss you and see you later. Mwah!